Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do some steamed veg guys with some cornmeal dumplings. So the flour need up, yeah, need up the flour, make it go and set. Guys, see me ground season, see me veg and that's what I did. My carrot and me cabbage guys. Guys, also I'm gonna boil a one plant with my flour. And that's what I did. Guys, as you can see over here, so pack the pan fire. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna chew in some oil now. I'm gonna swag on flower pot, guys. This is the flower pot. You understand how this? So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna chew in some oil in the pot. I'm gonna swag on, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So this is my oil, my sunflower oil, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys. I don't know the badness. Be a badness, guys. Some steamed veg. So what I'm gonna do now? Go put in my vegetable, make them go and steam. You understand now? The guys just watch the video and watch what go on. Yeah guys, I'm such a show go on in the pot here. Don't know the badness guys. Make him go and steam. You understand my deal? Yeah guys, soon come back. Guys, I try go on in the kitchen. Water hot guys. Don't know. Cabbage go and steam. Over. Yeah guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna chew in my flour them now. See water boil up guys. Be a badness. Over here so guys, watching the pot. Guys. My veg. Yeah guys, so be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna drop in the flour them and come back. Yeah guys, so watch what go on in the pot over there, so be a badness guys, that's what go on. Just stay tuned for the finishing looking in at the plate guys. Watch how I go on for the flour over here so guys. Yeah. See badness. Be a badness guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Cornmeal dumpling, boiled plantain with some steamed veg. Don't know the badness guys. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a cornmeal dumpling, steamed veg, I'm a boiled plantain guys. Yeah guys, see you in our next video guys. I'm out guys, you don't know the badness. Be a badness guys, be a badness. I'm out guys.